In this video we're going to look at the correct procedure for adding an owner into REI Master. To add an owner into REI Master, click into your list of owners here and then select the Add button at the top right here. You're now presented with a blank owner details screen. You need to fill in relevant information here. Before we start to enter any detail in, I should mention that we have the opportunity to convert a contact to an owner as well. If your owner that you're setting up is already listed as a contact in REI Master, you can select them from the contacts list. Any information that relates to that owner that has been inserted in the contact obviously then drops into the relevant fields here in the blank owner details screen. You can then add to or modify the information as necessary. We will, however, just add in new information for a new owner, starting with the reference as mentioned. However you reference your owners, your rental properties, your tenants, use that referencing to continue on here now. So we have a surname, first name and reference in there. We also need to fill in all our contact information for our owner here. So let's take a little bit of time to do that now. So we've entered in some contact information for the owner here now. Please note that the email address you've inserted into the first field here by default will have a statement sent to it if you select email statements to your owner. If you have further email addresses for your owner and you want statements sent to those ones, insert the email address information. Make sure you click the statement tick boxes here. Also over on the right hand side here, besides the other relevant information, if applicable, make sure that the charge GST tick stays in place where you are charging then GST on your commission and other charges, etc. The admin fee that's showing listed here, $8.80, has been inserted from the general configuration setup area. You can change it there as a default if you wish for ongoing new properties or new owners inserted into the system. If this owner is being charged something other than the $8.80, more or less of course, you can overtype that figure here now. At the moment, of course, there's no property linked to this owner until we complete the owner details screen and then go on to add a rental property to link to this owner. Before we can save our changes for the new owner, we must click on the disbursement tab here and obviously fill in the relevant disbursement information. So how we're going to send the monies to our owner and how often the frequency of disbursement is done. So again, we'll just fill in a little bit of detail here for our owner. Fill in your account and BSB, of course. With the statement options here, because we've inserted an email address, we do have the option to send an emailed statement if we wish to do so, and also tick the relevant boxes here about what information will appear on the statement itself. That is about all you need to enter a new owner into the system, of course. There are other tabs here that you can look at and fill in information as necessary. To add a new rental property into REI Master and link it to the existing owner, please see the video called Adding a Rental Property. Save your changes, of course. And in our list here, we should find that we have a new owner in the system. To add a new rental property and link it to this owner, please see our video entitled Adding a Rental Property.